We guide you through how to take screenshot in Telegram private channel. First, open the Telegram app and go to the private channel where you want to capture the screen. Now keep in mind that some private channels have screenshot restrictions enabled. So if you try the normal method and it doesn't work, that's the reason why. If you're using Android, press the power plus volume down buttons at the same time. And for the iPhone users, press side button plus volume up. If the screenshot is blocked, try using another device to take a photo of the screen or use screen recording if it's allowed. Then capture a frame from the video. You can also try enabling assistant menu or using third-party tools, but be cautious as some method may violate privacy policies. Once you successfully capture the screenshot, check your gallery or photo app to view, edit, or share it.